Have you struggled with microblading strokes? In this video, I will show you step-by-step microblading hair stroke procedure. Be sure to stay till the end for a free ebook on how to learn microblading pattern. For the best microblading, permanent makeup, aesthetic treatment and training advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post new video every week. If you're worried that it will be difficult to learn microblading pattern and don't know how to get started, then stick around because I will be showing step-by-step microblading procedure and share how to get started in this video. Check out microblading spine tree pattern in this video. I have received Best Permanent Makeup Specialist of the Year in 2018 by Oceanic Events in Toronto. I have hundreds of happy clients and students, and I'm happy to share my tips with you all. So let's get started. Now you know exactly what's involved in microblading treatment. Do you know how to actually do this microblading pattern? To help you, I have created a free ebook on what products, pigments and tools you will need to get started and how to promote yourself on social media. You can download ebook for free by clicking the link in the description. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share with your friend and hit the like button so I know to make more videos like this. If you have any questions about the microblading procedure, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.